Alright everyone, this is just going to be a really short video for anyone that's looking to get started with Forex trading and knows nothing about it or has very little information and just needs a little more to kind of catch up with terminology and just any other information you might need to start trading Forex. So you're going to go to babypips.com. From here you're going to go to the tab that says Learn Forex. Then you're going to go to How to Trade Forex. You go through this. You're only going to do the preschool, the entire preschool outline. What is Forex? How do you trade Forex? Yada, 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 all of this. Then when you do kindergarten, you're only going to do types of charts. That's it. Skip Forex brokers. I'll give you information on that later. And then skip 3 types of analysis. You don't need these 2. Just do types of charts. And that's it. Skip elementary, skip middle school, summer school, high school, freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, and graduation. Skip all of that. I'm going to give you the information you need in future trading videos. But as of now, if you know nothing about Forex or what it means, but you want to get started with investing, do the entire preschool section and types of charts. And that's it. Then you'll further understand the videos that I'm going to put out later on, and you won't be lost when I'm talking about things or when I'm referring to time zones or currencies or anything related to Forex, obviously.